Hi, in this video, let me cover the fourth way of making a component set, the second way of adding variants, and how to set multiple properties. So let's get started. So let me make a rectangle first, color it red, and then make a component. I will use a slash naming convention. And then right click this and main component adds variant, and we made a component set. The name of the component set is buttons, and red is here, and let me make it as green. Let me change the property name first, and then green, and let me change the color as well. So green, red. Let me check if it works. Buttons, color red, and green. Perfect. So let's suppose if we want to add a red star and a green star. Before that, we add variants like this, right? But we can make a star from this, right? So we need to make a component and drag it to here. That's the way. Before that, let me delete it. Before that, I want to tell you that this container, this set can be sized. Sized? I don't know. So you can change the size. So let's start. Let's make a star. So and make it as red. And then make it as a component. And let me just name it as star and let me drag this. So if you see this, you can make it here. Also, like this, make it as green, make it a component, and you can drag it to here like that. But it's gone, right? Weird. So, oh, here it is. So let me move this. Like this. And then like this. And then like this. Perfect. So from now on, we need multiple properties. One is for shape and the other is for color. So how to add a multiple property? So click this. Let's click this, the component set, and design tab, properties, and there's a plus button, color green, red, and plus button. Let's add, and there are some choices. I think this is the general one. So let me choose this, name it shape, and let me set the values default. Click. So if you see this, let me change. You can change now. If you change the name of the values, then you can use it. The color red, shape as square. Here, if you click the component set, you can move up. You can change the order like that. Right. And let me click this again. Square red, and let's set shape as star and color as red. Let me check this as rectangle, not in rectangle, square, right? And color green, star. So it provides the auto completion function. Color as green. And let's see if it works. We copy this. And then buttons, shape, color, shape as star, cool. Color red and green. It works perfectly. So that's it. And then yeah, that's all for this video. And in the later video, I forgot this one, and let me tell you this. So you can change the property name using this as well. So if you see this, if you double click this, shape, color, and shape equals star. So if you want to change the property name, I do not recommend this. Let me tell you the reason why. So shape 1 like this, and there you can see the error that this variant is missing one or more properties, and there's 3 current variants, right? So you have to change all of this as this. Shape 1, shape 1, so like this. Now it works. Let me show you. And then shape 1 and star and square, and it works perfectly. So if you change the property name here, you have to change all the variants property names. So it's not recommended, right? It's not good, right? So you can change the property name here. You click the component set and you can change the name here, or you can click the variant and you can also design tab, current variant. You can also change the name here as well. And let me check this. Shape 1, star and square. So that's it for today. And in the next video, I want to cover the slash naming convention with multiple properties. So how can I say this? So please let me see you in the next video. Bye.